Hi, my name is Tayo. You're welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for coming to watch my video. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always supporting me. I really appreciate you. If you're new here, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you like what you see, and the bell. I upload videos about lifestyle, beauty, luxury, my hair journey, because I've lost a lot of hair recently and I'm recovering from alopecia, so I've been documenting my improvements. So yeah, quite a lot of things, interesting things to watch on my channel, even if I say so myself. Yeah, anyway guys, thank you so much for coming around. And today we're going to be reviewing the Anastasia Beverly Luminous foundation. Don't know if it's focused. Anyway, you can see it. So yeah, this foundation launched about 2 years ago. I think it was 2019. I can't remember what time, but I think it was early 2019. And I've had it, I've used a whole bottle, and I'm on my second one now, got different shades. So I'm going to talk about my experience with this foundation and whether I still like it and whether I'm going to buy it again. And I just bought one anyway, so probably. But anyway, yeah, so if that's what you want to see, please keep on watching. So after Fenty Beauty came out with their 40 shades of foundation in 2017, so many brands decided to start doing that. So the 40 shades of foundation they came out with, there was a very wide coverage for darker skinned ladies like myself, you know. So many other brands started coming out with so many different types. There was even a brand, I can't remember the name of the brand now. When I do, I'll put it across the screen. They came out with 100 shades of foundation. Anyway, Anastasia Beverly announced that they were coming out with 50 shades, and yeah, I talked about that video as well. 50 shades. So I bought the first one I got was the 510W. The reason why I bought that one was because that was the only one that was left in the shades that were close to my skin tone when it launched. Because what happened was they didn't actually come out with everything at once. They came out with them in batches. Yeah, so, and I wanted to get my hands on it. Then I used to do a lot of videos about makeup. I wanted to review it. I can't remember if I actually did a review on it, but yeah. But I found that this shade was slightly too warm for me, so this time around I got the 500C, and the lady was actually in the salon, the lady in the shop was trying to convince me to get the same one, but I said no, I think I'll go for a different shade because I actually felt that the other one was a bit too warm for me. So this is the 510 warm. Don't know if I can still get anything out. Let me see. Yeah, so that's 510 warm. Don't know if you can see it. Hope you can. Yeah, that's almost finished. In fact, it's finished. I just managed to get some out, and then I went for the 500C, which is this one. They're very close. They look almost the same. So this is 510 warm, and this is 500C. Cool. Anyway, yeah. So what do I think about this foundation? I like it. I like it a lot. I like the fact that it's in this bottle. Sleek, very nice. The bottle is quite easy to put in your bag, and if you have a small bag, it really goes in well and all that. I mean, it doesn't take a lot of space, and it's glass, so you can actually see through. I can see the level of the foundation, though not very clearly, but it's better than some bottles that are glass, but then they are kind of tinted, so you don't actually know when whether the foundation is finished or not. I haven't used foundation. I'm going to go ahead and use it so you can see what it looks like. Issue that I have with this foundation is the bottle gets really, the pump gets really dirty. You kind of get quite a bit dripping over, and it happened with the other one as well. And this time around I decided I was going to be more careful, and this is after I've cleaned it, because I started cleaning it and I remembered I was going to talk about that in my video, so I didn't clean it again. But yeah, I don't know if it's just me anyway, but I have tried to be very careful, but I just find out that it doesn't, it's as if it's a bit slack, and then it just goes all over the place sometimes, and I don't like that. So because you waste a bit of your foundation when you have to clean it away. But anyway, apart from that, I really like it. I think it covers, because around this place I don't use color correctors. I hardly use color correctors now, ever since I had this foundation. I don't really use color correctors, but I know that this part of my mouth is quite dark. It's darker than the rest of my face. So when I use this foundation, I don't need to use color corrector, and I don't really like using color correctors all the time, you know, so I only use it when I actually really want my makeup to look really nice and put together, which it is most of the time, even without the color corrector. So just by using this foundation. So we're going to go ahead now and use it. So this foundation is let's see how many mils it is. Can't remember. It's 30 mils. So this foundation is 30 mils in this sleek glass bottle that you can see, with foundation written on the side and Anastasia on the other side, which I think is quite cool. Very nice. I like this sleek bottle. It's really quite attractive, apart from the pump. That is, yeah. So let's go ahead and use it. So I'm going to use the 500C, the one here. I'm going to add another, a little bit more, and then I'm going to use it, yeah, to do my makeup, and then I'll go ahead and do the rest of my makeup off camera. It says that you don't need to use powder, but I use powder. I don't know about that. I use powder with mine because yeah, it's luminous, so I don't really know why they'll say you shouldn't use powder to set it. When I was in makeup school, that was one of the things we were told to always use powder to set makeup, so I use my powder. But if you can see, it's basically covered up my dark areas, and that's just 2 pumps. I'll add the rest of the other one just so it doesn't waste, because this stuff is not cheap. So this foundation and my fashion fair, Estee Lauder foundation, double wear, yeah, double wear, Estee Lauder double wear foundation. These are the two I use. So I alternate between the two of them, and they last a long time because I don't wear it every day. I have a stick, another foundation stick that I use as well. So if I just want light makeup on, I just use that. But people are saying this is light coverage. For me, this is medium, you know, so I feel that this is enough for me. What do you think, guys? I feel it's enough for me. I'm going to go ahead, do the rest of my makeup, put on powder and put on some lipstick and other things, and then I'll be back to see what you think about this. So I'm back, and to me this foundation is almost full coverage, so I really won't agree with anybody that says this is light coverage. Yes, I did put an extra bit on, as you saw earlier. Normally I'll just use a pump or a pump and a half, but I think I used about 2 pumps because I added on the other one as well, so that's about 2 pumps, and it looks really full. I did put on quite a bit of powder as well, so I think it's full coverage. It's not much more foundation than I would normally wear, so I really do think this foundation is good, but it is expensive, and I know you can get cheaper options as well. Can't remember how much it was, but I'll put it in the description box for you to check. And yeah, this is it. This is the 500C. I'm just showing you so that you can compare the shades. So this is 500C and this is 510W. Yeah. So guys, that's it basically. I hope you enjoyed my video. Let me know what you think about this foundation. If you've used it, if you think it's too much, if you think I put on too much, just let me know what you think about it, and yeah, leave your comments in the description box, and give me a like if you like the video, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.